Okay, I want to show you for the suspension, and because the car is making noise, I want to show you what happened and what's the problem actually. Uh, he said when I drive, I'm going on the bump, it's making noise. When I turn, it's making noise. Press the brake, the car is locked the jump, and then it's coming back noise actually. I want to show you what's the problem actually. Okay, let's go to show you. This side is the passenger side, and this one is a shock absorber, is perfect. No problem, is no oil leak. It's some rusty, but still good for at the moment. And this the coil sparing, and the coil sparing, this one is still good, no rusty, just a little bit here, and still for at the moment. uh, but for the shock, you know look at, there's not any oil leak, but the car is 2008. This is a Honda Civic 2008, but this one is the original one. I recommend to change actually, because this one I think around the 16 years working. And the wishbone arm, I want to show you the wishbone arm. The wishbone arm, look at, and this one, look, is the crack. And this one, it should change as soon as possible. It's too old. And this one is drop link. The drop link, look like good, no problem. And this one for the suspension arm, this one is a big problem and so dangerous. Look at that one. Look, it's completely gone. Wow, I think this one is the original one, that's why. Yeah. And for the debush, stay good, no problem. But this one, actually is not expensive. Just recommend to change it, because I think this car no change it for the long time. And coming that side as well. Okay, and this one drop link look like it's too old and rusty actually, and better to change it. And this side, for it's not crack, but look like it's too old. You can see that this country usually for the UK, underneath usually it's too rusty. And let me show you for wishbone arm. And that one, look at, it's very 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 dangerous, that one actually. Look, it's very very bad. This one is not pass for the MOT. If someone the pass this one, very dodgy actually. And we can see the underneath, it's too rusty here. And this one is for engine mounting. Just the gearbox mount actually. Look at the crack, look. And this one recommend to change, yeah, because this one is lock the jump. When you first try, it's lock the jump actually. And when you press the brake, it's lock the jump as well. And you can see that the subframe is too rusty. Look at that. if was my car, I just scrap the car because at this point, it's too rusty. If you want to spend for this car, it's too much money actually. And because he's not keep it very well. And this one, look at for radiator. And let me show you other side as well. Look at the coilless bearing. The coilless bearing is too rusty. And look, I recommend to change. And look at this one for wishbone arm, driver's side. Look, it's completely finished. Very bad. How drive. Okay. And yeah, that's the main problem is for the making noise for wishbone arm. That's a bush gun, completely gun. And after that is for drop link, and for gearbox mounting as well, you can change it. And the tires still good, no problem. Yes, and this one for the limit still good. And still good tire. And let me just show you about the rear one. I want to show you something. And this one, look. Thank you for watching. Please, if you happy, you can subscribe me, please. Thank you so much.